guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I install this LATISHA wet lace wig from Sensational, stay tuned. Here is the hair, guys. It's a 13x6 soft Swiss lace front wig. It is pre-plucked, and y'all, this hair is to die for. Like the hairline, the plucking, everything. Guys, these knots, phenomenal. Phenomenal. FYI, this is literally my favorite shirt. I got it from Skirt Life, which is one of my friend's brands. They have really great pieces, y'all, and it's Black owned. Link is down below, so be sure to check them out. Okay, we want to make sure we stay away from looking like a rock star in your best Beyonce voice. This lace picks up whatever is under it, so I low-key recommend doing the bald cap, but if you're lazy like me, you can just add some powder and call it a day. To secure the wig, I'm using Got To Be spray only, and I'm putting it in between the edges and the rest of the hairline. I'm using my blow dryer on a low setting and then wrapping it with my scarf to make sure that it is really laid. Once that's good and dry, I'm going in and cutting the lace. Just an FYI, that is my edges on the side. I didn't end up needing to cut any from the wig because the placement was so perfect that I could just leave my baby hair out. At this point, call me Scalpiana because, honey, that's exactly what we're giving. I love that it came with baby hair, but also that the baby hairs have some shape to them. Like, if I wanted to do a little S or a little C, I definitely could, but we're doing regular ones today. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, y'all, and have that notification bell tapped so you're alerted when I post new videos, which is 2 times a week. I've been doing a really good job, y'all, so be proud of me and make sure you're subscribed. You can totally skip this part, but the curls were a little too much at the top, so I took a wide tooth comb to kind of calm them down a bit. To get my part flatter, I used my blow dryer and held the hair down while using the blow dryer. Also, at this point, y'all, I had taken the wig cap off, so this is pure powder. I'm absolutely obsessed with the wig's density, these curls. Sensational did a fantastic job with this wig. No plucking, no wig cap, just beautiful, beautiful. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Now you can do a side part, which I'll show you guys a bit later in this video. Y'all, I did not pluck this. I did not feel like plucking this. I'll probably not. Maybe another video I'll pluck it and come back to y'all with a new, like, hello. But y'all, this wig is bomb. What? I like wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? What? I can't believe this wig looks this good. What the frig? I need to stop playing in it because it's synthetic, and you know, you're not supposed to really touch synthetic because they don't like to be touched. I needed to comb out them curls. Them curls was looking real curtains closed. Now I'm looking a lot like Alonzo Arnold. Like, what? You got to be kidding. And the texture of it looks like blown out hair. Like, it looks shiny on camera, but I promise you it's not. And like, I definitely probably could have plucked. There's not that much space on the side to pluck, but whatever. That's my edges right there, if y'all didn't know. But nah, this is really, really cute. I am in love. Let me see if I could move the part around. I had a cap on. I took the cap off because I feel like it needed, ooh, y'all. Nah, they wild out with this. They really wild out. They really wild out. They really wild out. We're just gonna leave it like that for now. But y'all, that part is looking like the Red Sea. That part is looking like the Red Sea, honey. You cannot tell me not to. Sensational. Sensational, you guys are sensational. What the frig? Like, how did you guys do this? Like, it's the upgrade of the synthetic wigs for me. Because who told them to be this bomb? I don't know if I like that part. I like that when I comb through it, like synthetic hair, like you're really not supposed to comb through it, but it's really like my comb is going through it, not a problem, like no issues, no nothing. If I put it all the way back, like let me try to hide that part, but if I put it all the way back, like it looks so good. I'm flabbergasted. Like, oh, if I'm the only one that does this, but every time I cough, I just gotta make sure I go hold my breath just in case it's Miss Rona trying to make an appearance. I'm sorry, y'all. It's the cough for me. It's the cough. But nah, this is a good wig. Never thought I'd see the day where a synthetic wig literally looks like a blowout. And I honestly, like, I kind of want to cut it. Is that weird? Like, I really want to cut it because I feel like if I cut it, it's gonna look like, it's really gonna look like mine. Like if I cut it here. Like that. Like a little bob.
Baby, it's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. I know you see my body moving freely. Step away.
Like, girl, I'm gonna have to cut this. Y'all, but if I'd be so mad if I cut this and I'm like, I know I'm gonna like it, but like, I am one of those psychopaths that's like, I need the wig, I need 2 wigs, one that I cut, one that I leave as is. I don't know. I'm gonna wear this one. I'm gonna wear this one, see how I like it. Wear it, see how I like it. And then as it gets older, then I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it. Sweetie, what's the big? My hair. Let me go to the back. Ugh. Oh, these old bones. I think if I would have done like the ball cap, it would have been even more flawless, but I don't know, something about doing a ball cap with a synthetic wig just does not sit right with my spirit. I don't know if it's just me or what, but like it looked, because the part is so nice, like you could see where the cap started and where it stopped. Now it's not, like I said, it probably looks better with the ball cap, but something about it just don't sit right with my spirit. Next time I will do it with a ball cap. I have a couple more wigs that, you know, I've been meaning to try, but I'll do those with the ball cap. But this might have to be my new favorite. I might have to get this. I might have to get a second one. Like, sensational. If y'all want to send me a second one, that'd be nice too. But yeah. If you were wondering if this is worth the hype, let me tell you that it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments, thoughts down below on this wig. I know y'all got some. Thumbs this video up, and of course, share it with your homies. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.